TikTok is a social media app where people can share short videos with each other. If you want to change your TikTok username, in this video I will show you how. In just a few seconds, you'll be able to create a new username and start sharing your videos with the world under a new username. This is an easy way to make your account more personal and unique, and it's a great way to show off your creative side. So make sure to watch until the very end to learn how. To get started, first open up the TikTok app. And then go over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your TikTok profile, you will see a button that says Edit Profile. So go ahead and tap on that. And, as you can see under the About You section, the second option is the username, and it will show you your current TikTok username. So what you want to do next is tap on that, and then remove your old username and type in your new username. You can only change your username once every 30 days, so make sure that your username is exactly what you want. Once you are happy with your new username, tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen. Another thing to keep in mind is that changing your username will also change your profile link. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more simple tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.